The scepter never left, the promise never broke. We're not waiting for the end, we're waiting for the King. Hey! A name written on his thigh, King of all kings, the servant once rejected now forever reigns. Crowned in Zion, ruling every land, setting truth where kingdoms fail to stand. The name despised, now lifted high. Every ruler bows, every tongue replies. From David's root, justice flows. This isn't talk, it's how he rules. He is King, he is Lord, reigning now forevermore. Every nation bows before Jesus Christ, our King. Nations stream to the mountain bright, swords turned down in the light. The lion rests beside the lamb, death erased by his command. A righteous king, our refuge strong, shielded storms, the rightful throne. Judge and savior, one alone. No other name the world has known.
When his light appears, the nations walk toward it. No veil remains, every eye will see.
He is King, he is Lord, worthy of all praise and power. The Lamb upon the throne, glory to his name. He is King, he is Lord, ruler over all the earth. The world will pass away, but his kingdom never ends. We don't wait to escape the world, we wait for the King to return.
Not only crowned as king, but scarred as priest, seated on the throne, yet bearing wounds. A priest forever, order of Melchizedek, a calling older than the law itself. Not divided, priest and sacrifice, he gave his own life, paid the price. A guilt offering not for his own sin, he carried the weight we were buried in. Anointed, then cut off in death, mission fulfilled with his final breath. Eternal high priest, the way was bought with blood, once and for all. The sacrifice, nothing more is needed now. By one obedience, many made right, condemnation replaced by life. We're no longer slaves to shame, we're called sons in his name. The branch built the temple true, now seated where mercy rules. King and priest, one holy throne, reign in grace in perfect tone. A love too heavy for words to explain, silence carried all our pain. By his wounds our voices rise, grace echoes through the sky. Eternal high priest,
The spotless Lamb enthroned, still interceding.
will not bend. We are never standing alone. He is praying for us now.
You stirred them with a people they ignore. Grace hit the ones who never knocked the door. Hated without a reason, just like you said. Light showed up, darkness wanted you dead. Eyes wide open, but they still don't see. Ears full of sound, but no truth received. They claim the name, but hearts stay far. Quoting the law, missing who you are. Lips speak holy words, but the heart won't bow. You want mercy on the street, not just worship in the house. They see but never see, they hear but never know. Some fall on the stone, some stand on the rock below. The ones who never searched, now lift your name on high. Every nation, every tongue, your glory fills the sky. Your glory fills the sky. They rock became the cornerstone. Righteousness found through faith alone. Wheat and weeds growing side by side. Fire will tell who lived the lie. Not by works, not by pride, but by the Lamb who justified. The sun will rise for those made clean. The wicked burn, the just will glean. Oh, judgment doesn't cancel grace. It proves your love was never fake. The door was open, the call was clear. We chose our fear, or chose your voice. Those who never sought you, now shout your holy name. Every land, every language, Jesus reigns, Jesus reigns. Darkness fades, the righteous shine, like the sun in kingdom light. On that day we rise and sing, forever to our King. To our King. From Eden's ground, the promise was made. The woman's seed would crush the snake. Rejected stone, despised by men, became the center, the cornerstone plan. Your throne stands firm, forever just. You love what's right, you hate the dust. They cast you out, but heaven chose. The King revealed through wounds and blows. Some fall, some rise at the same true stone. One truth, two hearts, what have we chosen? Despised, rejected, a man of deep pain. Silent for sinners, you bore our shame. Despised, rejected, a man of deep pain. Silent for sinners, you bore our shame. A new covenant written inside, not on stone, but hearts alive. Washed by water, born by the Spirit. Dead souls breathe when they finally hear it. Fire poured out in the final days. Faith the call goes wide, salvation's light cannot be confined. They will look on the one they pierced. Morning turns to mercy released. The judge arrives as the slain lamb, justice fulfilled by nail-scarred hands. Despised, rejected, a man of deep pain, silent for sinners, you bore our shame. Despised, rejected, a man of deep pain, silent for sinners, you bore our shame. Life for the nations, tears wiped away, death defeated, eternal day. Every eye will see him, every knee will bow. The seed, the King, the coming one, we worship you now. He came, he reigns, he will return.
Mocked with thorns, yet crowned in truth. Judged by men, declared by heaven. A slain lamb, now forever risen. First he came low, next in flame. History bends, time obeys. Every crown falls on that day. The Lamb upon the throne, righteous rule forever stands. The one who once was slain now reigns as King of all. Not with animal blood, but his own. He opened the way to the holy throne. Scarred hands speak on my behalf. Justice satisfied, wrath is past. One word changed the courtroom sound. Righteous echoes all around. Some fall, some stand on the stone. Light reveals what hearts have shown. Every hidden thing needs stayed. Holy light for lasting flame. Written down in Lamb's own book, or lost to what they chosen took. Despised, silent, he is forsaken. Yet through his suffering, many were made righteous. Worthy is the Lamb was slain, King and priest forever named, Alpha, Omega, end and start, returning Lord of glory crown. His kingdom has no end, and his reign is now. Yet through his suffering, many were made righteous. Worthy is the Lamb once slain, King and priest forever named, Alpha, Omega, end and start, returning Lord of glory crowned. His kingdom has no end, and his reign is now.